The recording session is started now. So from this session, the recording will be already recorded for your future references. So I will again share my screen with you. We will see the Python variable concept. Okay. So here we will assign the x is equals to 40. Then x is equals to Sally, and we will print the x. So which message we have to display? The Sally message we have to display on the output screen. Okay. So the 40 is not displayed. Why the 40 is not displayed? Because we are not using the printf statement after the 40 statement. Right now, if we write, if we write, if we cut the printf statement, if we enter after the 40, we will print the print x. So what will be the output? So output will be displayed. That is 40. Yes, you will understood. The position of print statement is very important in Python programming. Okay. So if we write again, see here, if we write again printf statement, so now the output will be what? We will check it here. Yes, the both message will be displayed here, but for that we are using the two separate print statement. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay. Nice. Yes. Okay. Yes, me audible student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because I think some network issue comes here, so that's why screen is not displayed to you, and I'm mute also. Okay. So I can share my screen with you. Okay. So now you can understood. So in Python programming, we have to require two different printf statement for two different variables, and on the basis of that, we have to print it also. Okay, but the same value is assigned. Same variable name is available here, but the same variable name we have to assign separately with the help of print statement. So output will be displayed on the output screen. ओके. सो हे लक्षात असू द्या. हे जनरली आपल्याला अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज मध्ये थोडंसं येत नाही, पण इथे येतं. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट असेल कास्टिंग कन्सेप्ट. आपल्याला माहिती आहे टाईप कास्टिंग कन्सेप्ट आपल्याला माहिती आहे. सो टाईप कास्टिंग कन्सेप्ट हा जो आहे हा देखील याच्यामध्ये प्रूव्ह करून दाखवलेला आहे. सो तो कसा दिलेला आहे बघून घ्या. So if we take one another example which is related for the typecasting concept, x is equals to str3, okay, y is equals to int3, okay, and z is equals to float3, okay. So here we will directly take the variable name, okay, variable name xyz. We have taken the three different variable name xyz, and for that, in front of that x we have to decide x is a string, okay, then y is a integer, then float z is a float, and we will print it. Okay. So directly str and integer and float, the value of that required string, integer and float, that will be displayed on the output string. Suppose we have to write 30, okay, integer 30 and float suppose 30. The value, this one is the values, okay, this one is the string value, this one is the integer value, this one is the float value. So, and we will print it with the help of print statement. So what will be the output? See here, the output is just like this: 30, 30, and 30.0. It means the float. Okay, it means x, y, z. We have to print on the output screen here. Okay, so understood. So this is a typecasting concept. Okay, so on the basis of typecasting concept, we have to execute it. Here also some gives the comment line in front of you. X will be 3, Y will be 3, and Z will be 3.0. So this is a comment line. So this is not displayed on the coding section. You can directly execute the code. You will display the output screen. Okay. So after that, get the type. Suppose we want which variable have the value. Suppose first variable x have 5, okay, and second variable y is equals to John. The message will be printed, and we will check it the data type. Okay, so x is what? X is equals to 5. It means it is an integer. Okay, and y is equals to John. It is means it is a string value we have to input it there. So directly we can check it the type of that variable by using type command. Okay, type function command, type and variable name you have to directly type here in print statement. So directly we will get the result. We will check it here. We will try the code here. Okay, see here, x is equals to 5, y is equals to John, print type of x, print type of y. So we know that x is equals to 5 means integer and y is equals to John. Double quotation we have to use since double quotation sign is useful for string declaration. Since on the basis of this line we have to discuss which class we have to take. Okay, so here is an integer class we have to take for the x is equals to 5, and for the y is equals to John, the class name is a string. Okay, simply, so you can update it, the code you can update it, no problem. The name will be available from your side, you can insert it. Okay, and you can execute the code that will be displayed on output screen. This is for kind information. This is for your references. You have to check it. Which type of variable have suppose the value, so that will be printed on the output screen. Suppose we have taken 50.98. Okay, x is equals to 50.98. So what will be the output? We will check it here. So x is equals to 50.98. The output will be displayed. That is a float. Okay, see here the output is float. Okay, so make me I think sure about the whole concept. The type function is very important for what? To show the variable data type directly. It show the variable data type. Okay, you can get the data type of variable with the help of type function. Okay, okay. So then next, single or double quotes. The concept of single quotation and double quotation, you know that when we use the double quotation sign, so we are using the string concept. But when we use the single quotation, so the consideration is what? So that we have to check with the help of the coding section here. Okay, see here, the two different names are available in front of you. First one is the x is equals to double quotation John. Print x we have to print here. Then x is equals to John. Again we have to use the print x statement. Okay. So what is the major difference? If any difference we have to see here. Here is no difference to show the output on output screen. Right now. So in Python programming, if we use the single inverted, double inverted, okay, as well as triple inverted commas for a specified string or for a specified word, it will be considered as same. ओके, सगळ्यांना काय करायचं? सेम कन्सिडर करा असं म्हणू शकतो आपण. राईट, तो सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड असू द्या किंवा डबल असू द्या किंवा ट्रिपल असू द्या. ओके, बट ट्रिपल इन्व्हर्टेड आपण कधी वापरतो? वेन वी यूज द ट्रिपल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमर्स. सो ट्रिपल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमर्स इज ऑल्सो युजफुल फॉर कमेंट सेक्शन. मल्टिपल कमेंट ज्यावेळेस आपण वापरत असतो त्यावेळेस आपण ट्रिपल इन्व्हर्टेड वापरतो, हे लक्षात असू द्या. पायथन मध्ये पॉसिबल आहे. ओके, सो आपण पायथन मध्ये ट्रिपल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा जरी घेतला तर दॅट इज द पार्ट ऑफ कमेंट. ओके, कमेंट मध्ये वापर लक्षात असू द्या. आपण आणखी एकदा चेक करू, इथं होतं का बघू. एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड. सपोज मी लिहिलं जॉन. ओके, आणि सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड. ओके, अँड देन वी राईट प्रिंट x. Okay, so now we are using the triple single inverted sign here, so it is useful for what? Comment. But we will display the output also. See here, we will check it the output. If this is a comment, okay, so it will be not printed. But here, if we are using the three single inverted commas, it is just a part of comment, but it will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, it means in Python programming you can use the single inverted, double inverted as well as triple single inverted commas that will be shows to give the correct output. Okay, we will also check it one another statement in front of you, that is See here, we will use now double inverted, double inverted, double inverted 3 times. Again, we will use double inverted, double inverted, double inverted 3 times. Okay. And now we will print x value. So it will be show the result or not, that we have to check here. Yes, it will be checked. Okay. It means in Python programming, we will use single inverted, double inverted, triple inverted, single inverted 3 times. Okay. Double quotation, single quotation, all things will be executed the same code. Okay, the output will be displayed on the output screen, but you just kindly separate the one point, that is, if we write the 3 single inverted portion, it is also part of comment, multiple line comment. For that we are using the 3 single inverted commas. Okay, so you just confirm this. Okay, otherwise it is okay, no problem. Then after that, the concept comes, that is a case sensitive part. Variable names are case sensitive. Generally we know that variable names are case sensitive. Some variables we have to write capital letters as well as the small letters. Okay, declaration part, okay, which is in the capital as well as the small letters. So how it will be works in Python programming, so that we have to check here now. Okay, so in front of you one example, that is a is equals to 4, small a is equals to 4, and capital A is equals to Sally. Okay, so Sally is your the string label for capital A, and 4 is for the small a. Okay, so we are using the print small a and print capital A. It is also called as the case sensitive. Okay, it means for that those word we have to declare the particular values, so that we have to use for printing purposes also. So this is a normal rule for all, case sensitive. Okay, any other programming we have to use, so in that, suppose we have to declare the capital letter INTA, capital form. So all programming we have to use the capital A form, right now. So same like that, the case sensitive programming language, Python is also a case sensitive programming language for better understanding. Okay, so this is our whole session which is related for the Python variables. Now we will go towards the next topic, that is a Python variable names. Okay, so now here we are using the different variable names, that is in the form of capital, small letters, some suppose underline sections. So these are the valid rules for all. Okay, so variable names can have short name like X and Y, or more descriptive name, age, car name, total underscore volume. Okay, so these are the valid. Okay, so after that, rules for the Python variable, variable must name must start with the letter or underscore character. Okay, so it will be allowed for the Python programming. Letter or underscore sign will be allowed. After that, the variable name cannot be start with the number. Okay, number पासून सुरुवात नाही करताना. Variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore sign. A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore sign is the valid variable declaration part. Okay, but spaces will be not allowed it. Okay, then variable names are case sensitive. Age, like age capital, are 3 different variables. These are the in Python programming. This one is another variable. This one is another variable. This one is another variable. Okay, it means case sensitive, since Python is also called as case sensitive programming language. Okay, so these are the legal examples in front of you. My var is equals to John. My underscore var is equals to John. Okay, my underscore var is equals to John. Okay, then small letter capital letter is equals to John, capital letter is equals to John, capital letter with number is equals to John. So these are some important declaration, legal declaration of variable declaration for the Python programming. Okay, so these are, we will not write because already it will be given here. So which are the illegal? So this one is illegal. Okay, we will write to my var. Okay, to my var. Okay, it means the variable name will be started with the digits, and with here is the character sign we have to use. So it is a illegal type. Okay, my dash sign is invalid. My space is a invalid. Okay, variable name declaration. So rules in front of you. Okay, so these are the some important rules for you. So without this, you can't use any other. So that is an illegal variable declaration in Python programming. Okay. So remember the variable names are case sensitive is very important task for all sessions. Okay. Okay. Then after that, multi words variable names we have to also use. Suppose the declaration we have used the any label. So in that, suppose the label size is or variable size will be extended. So that is also possible in Python program. Okay, so variable names with more than one words can be difficult to read. Okay, so it is no all students understood. If we write the lengthy name, so it is difficult to read. Okay, there are several techniques you can use to make them more readable. Okay, so here is in front of you. These some cases are available. This one is the camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. Okay, so these are some cases in front of you. You just remember these are some cases for declaration of variable names. Okay, so my variable name is also one type of variable name. Okay, my variable name is also one type of variable name. My variable name is also one type of variable name, but declaration of that is changed. So this label is a camel case, this label is a Pascal case, this label is a snake's case. Okay, otherwise no problem. It means if we're using the underscore sign between the separate variable names, so snake case is also called as the snake case. Okay, if we are using the first letter capital with separate different labels of variable names, so this is called as the Pascal case. Okay, and if we write the small letter starting with first letter, the second and third letter is a capital form, which is also called as the camel case. So this is a simple techniques. You just remember, no problem. Okay. After that, same like that, assign multiple values. Okay. So this is a very important concept in Python programming, right? Okay. So for single or multiple variables, we have to use multiple values in a single line. Okay. This is also possible in Python. Okay. Python allows to assign values to multiple variables in one line. Okay. वन लाईन मध्ये तुम्हाला एकापेक्षा जास्त व्हेरिएबल्सला असाइन करता येतं हे पायथन मध्ये होऊ शकतं राईट ना. अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज मध्ये आपण युज केलं तर एरर मेसेजेस दिसले असते, पण हे पायथन मध्ये काय की एकाच लाईन मध्ये एकापेक्षा जास्त व्हेरिएबल्सला आपण असाइन करू शकतो. ओके, हा पायथनचा बेनिफिट आहे. एक्स कॉमा वाय कॉमा झेड इज इक्वल टू ऑरेंज, बनाना आणि चेरी असं लिहिलेलं आहे. सो सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमर्स, डबल कोटेशन साइन आपण यूज केलेलं आहे, सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमर्स दिलेलं आहे आणि परत डबल कोटेशन साइन यूज केलेलं आहे. इट मीन्स डबल कोटेशन साइन इज कंपल्सरी फॉर ऑल variable values, okay, which separated by the comma sign is there. Okay, so on the basis of this, see the output will be displayed. Okay, so x comma y comma z is equals to orange comma banana comma cherry. So print x, print y, print z. Okay, so output will be displayed here. Okay, so I will print here, suppose ONE1, the message will be changed here, ONE, then 2, and after these 3. Okay, and we will execute the code. So directly we will display the 1 2 3 on output screen, because yes. Okay, if we change the sequence, we will check it. If we change the sequence, okay, we will print the print y, then print z and print x. What will be the output? See, the output will be displayed on 2 3 and 1. Okay, so it is possible. We know that printf statement is supportive for all declaration of variable names. Okay, hope so you understood. Okay, then next one value to multiple variable. It is also the important concept. One value to multiple variable. Here is what many values to multiple variable, many values to the many multiple variables. It means we are using the multiple variables, multiple values. So here one value to multiple variable. It means what? X is equals to y is equals to z is equals to orange. Okay, we will check it the output directly. Wait a minute. It takes some time, but we will cover our topic finally. X is equals to y is equals to z is equals to orange. It means print x, print y, print z. So directly the message will be displayed orange. Okay. If we change the message, suppose 1. Okay. and we will execute the code. So we will be displayed on the output screen. That is a 1 on our output screen. 111 XYZ. Okay, it means what? We have assigned the single value to multiple variables. It is possible in Python programming. Okay, okay. Then unpack a collection. So see here, unpack a collection means what? If you have collection of values in a list, in a tuple, Python allows you to extract the values into variable. This is called unpacking. Okay, other programming language can't use this type of unpacking concept, but in Python programming there is an unpacking part will be available. Okay, so fruits is equals to, here we have to use the list part. This bracket is called as the list. Okay, this bracket is opening square bracket and closing square bracket is also called as list. We have to create a list. Okay, we have to use the list part with the help of values. Okay, what are the different values we have to use in list concept? Okay, this bracket is also called as the list. Okay, so for list creation, we will use the square brackets, and in square brackets, we have to use the different values separated by the commas. Okay, it means what? Fruits, we have taken the fruits is one variable name. Fruits is one variable name. In fruits, we have to take the different list of apple, bananas, and cherries with a square bracket, single square bracket, opening square bracket, closing square bracket. And in that, we have to assign the different values for that particular fruits variable name. Okay. Now, after that, we will write, okay, x comma y comma z is equals to fruits. It means what? Firstly, we will write the fruits is equals to a list of apple, banana, cherry. After that, we will declare x comma y comma z is equals to fruits. It means fruits is equals to x comma y comma z. And now we will print the print x, y, z. Okay, it will be automatically assigned x for apple, y for banana, and z for cherry. Okay, so we will check it the output. Wait a minute. Okay, so xyz is equals to fruits. So x for what? X for apple, right? Y for banana, yes, and z for cherry. So it will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, this is a simple technique when we use the Python programming. Simple, but list concept we have to consider now. Okay, list is useful for to create the n number of values we have to assign with the help of list concept. List means opening square bracket and closing square bracket. In between that, we will create a list part. Okay, and we will assign the values with the help of double quotation, comma, double quotation, comma, double quotation, comma. Right now, same like that. Okay, so this is also the unpacking part we have to use. The unpacking concept is available in Python programming, which is little much better as compared to the other programming language. It means here we have to take n number of values we have to assign for the single variable name, and after that we will declare that single variable name to n number of another variable names, and we have to print the particular variables by using the print statement. Okay, it is also called as the unpacking collection. For unpacking collection, we have to use this type of list form. Okay, so after that, we will use the next concept, that is a Python output variable. So output variable, we know that output variable means print. Print with the help of print statement, we have to print the data on output screen. But for combination purposes, Python uses the plus character. So with the help of plus character, we have to combine the text or a variable in Python with the help of printf statement. So plus sign is very important. So using plus sign, we will combine the letter also. Okay, see here, for example, x is equals to away sum. It means the away sum is the value for the x variable name, and we will print Python is, and we will use plus and x letter. Okay, plus and x letter. So here is what will be the output will be displayed here. We will check it here. Okay, x is equals to away sum. Print Python is, this one is the message for print statement, and we will write plus x. Plus x, it means the combination will be done. The value of x will be automatically assigned here, and we will display the Python is away sum. Okay, so this is a output statement for you. So here is another different example for you. So that is, we will combine the strings also with the help of plus sign in a print statement. So here is Python is the first value for x, away sum is the value for y, and we will write the third variable name z is equals to x plus y, and that will be printed in print statement print z. So Python is away sum, the message will be displayed here. So in C programming, if we do like this, so there is n number of errors will be generated. But in Python programming, it is possible because we have to assign or we have to use the combination of strings with the help of plus sign. Okay, so this is also simple technique for all. After that, for number, we will also write the another example in front of you. See here the example, x is equals to 5, y is equals to 10, print x plus 5. So directly we will get the 15 value. Okay, or we will change suppose the numbers, x is equals to 500, y is equals to 1000, and we will execute the code, and it will be displayed print x plus y. It means the 1500 will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, so this is a simple platform for all. जसं जसं आपण पुढे जाऊ तसं तसं आपल्याला त्याच्यामधलं आणखीन डेपनेस लक्षात येईल. Okay, if you try to combine the string and number, so Python will give the error. Okay, आतापर्यंत आपण काय पाहिलं होतं, नंबर्सच्या सोबत नंबर आपण जोडलं होतं, स्ट्रिंग सोबत आपण स्ट्रिंग जोडलं होतं, पण आता काय करतोय, नंबर सोबत स्ट्रिंग जोडायचा प्रयत्न करतोय. Okay, so there will be error message will be displayed on the output screen. See here, x is equals to 5, y is equals to John, print x plus y. So when we execute the code, so there is a integer and string combination will be done. So it is a unsupported operands type will be done, and error message will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, so combination will be done with the help of two integers, two strings, but one string and one integer, it is not possible to combine that words. Error message will be displayed on the output screen. Okay, so this is your output variables. Okay, after that, Python global variable, one of the important concept in front of you. Variables that are created outside a function, okay, as in all the example above, are known as the global declaration. Generally, we know that global declaration means what? The variables can created outside the function. Okay, we already know that global variables outside फंक्शनच्या बाहेर जे असाइन केलेले असतात त्याला आपण ग्लोबल व्हेरिएबल म्हणतो. Okay, global variable can also used by everyone both inside the function as well as the outside the function. Global variable can assign with the help of inside function and outside function also. Okay, so here is one example, that is x is equals to away sum. We have to declare outside the function. We have to write def my function is one user defined function we have to take here. Okay, print Pythonese plus x we have to write here. So here is a combination between Pythonese word and away sum word which is declared outside the function. Okay, so that will be printed or not, that we have to check with the help of this code. Okay, so we will check it. Okay, so this is just like that. You know that suppose a declaration of user defined function and main function we have to write. If we write the user defined function, we have to end with the semicolon sign. Okay, same like that. If here we write the inline function, it means we have to end with the colon sign. Okay, so this is your main function, and this works like a main function. This is one user, this one is your user defined function, and we will declare the x value outside the function. So but we will combine with the help of printf statement, it will be executed and we will get the correct output on the output screen. Okay, so plus sign will be executed. But suppose we will assign the value, see here, we will assign the value x is equals to 2. Okay, so here is message will be displayed, output message will be displayed, or error message will be displayed there. Can you tell me? कोणी आहे का गेले सगळे? Yes, काही काही जण आहेत. Okay, so error message will be displayed on the output screen, I think, because we have to combine, see, we have to combine the string with number right now, so it is not possible. इंटिजर स्ट्रिंग कॉम्बिनेशन ज्यावेळेस येते त्यावेळेस काय होईल, एरर मेसेज प्रिंट होईल. ओके, सो लक्षात येत असेल, लक्षात आलं असेल. ओके, सो थोडस याच्यावरती वर्कआउट करा. आणखीन मला वाटते 8च जण आहेत, म्हणजे थोडेसे कंटाळल्यासारखं झालं असेल. तर हा पॉईंट जो हा आपण इथपर्यंत कव्हर केलाय असं लक्षात ठेवा. पायथन व्हेरिएबल्स, याच्यातलं ग्लोबल व्हेरिएबल आपण कव्हर केले. व्हेरिएबलचे संदर्भाची जी एक्सरसाइज आहे, ओके, व्हेरिएबलच्या संदर्भाची जी एक्सरसाइज आहे ती देखील आपण याच्यामध्ये चेक करू. तुम्हाला काही कळेल ते पण कळेल. क्रिएट अ व्हेरिएबल नेम, कार नेम अँड असाइन द व्हॅल्यू वॉल्यू. कसं करणार सांगा पटकन एक्सरसाइज. क्रिएट अ व्हेरिएबल नेम कार नेम घ्यायचे आणि त्याला असाइन वॉल्वो करायचे. Less than 1 minute is pending here now. Okay, so what will be the output? We have to directly write CARNAME Okay, we will submit our answer. The session will be ended for today's session here because less than 1 minute is pending. So the exercise will be completed here. Okay, there are a number of exercises are available, but that we have to take in our next session. So thank you very much. Remember this point we have covered up to variable exercise. In next session, we will discuss the Python data types. Okay, thanks a lot. Give me the reaction and exit from the lecture now. Yes, student, give me the reaction and exit from the lecture.